Hello, my amazing learners. Welcome to day 13 of your 30-day English shadowing challenge. You've been showing up every day, and that's true dedication. If you've missed any day, no problem at all. The playlist link in the description is ready for you anytime. Remember, your English journey is not a race. It's about steady steps forward. Today's topic is talking about weather. Weather is one of the most common and friendly topics for conversation. People talk about it everywhere, in the park, at work, on the bus, or even in a shop. After today's practice, you'll have the right sentences to start and join simple conversations about the weather. But first, let me share a short story. Last weekend, I went for a walk in the park. The sun was shining and the sky was blue. On the way, I met my neighbor. Neighbor, what a beautiful day. Me, yes, it's sunny and warm, perfect for a walk. The next day, it rained. I stayed at home and read a book. Friend, on the phone, how's the weather there? Me, it's raining a lot. I can hear the rain on my window. Simple conversations like this happen every day. Now let's practice the sentences so you can use them easily too. Listen first, then repeat after me 2 times. Focus on rhythm, tone, and natural pauses. Speak out loud. Don't just whisper. Remember, mistakes mean progress. Are you ready? Let's begin the shadowing practice. Here are the shadowing practice sentences. You can pause for practice. Sentences 1 through 10. The weather is good today. The weather is good today. It is sunny and bright. It is sunny and bright. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. The sun is shining. It is warm outside. It is warm outside. I like sunny weather. I like sunny weather. I enjoy walking in the sun. I enjoy walking in the sun. It is hot in the afternoon. It is hot in the afternoon. I drink water in the hot weather. I drink water in the hot weather. The evening is cool. The evening is cool. Amazing start. You're sounding natural already. Let's keep the energy going. Sentences 11 through 20. It is raining now. It is raining now. I use an umbrella. I use an umbrella. The ground is wet. The ground is wet. I hear the rain outside. I hear the rain outside. I like the sound of rain. I like the sound of rain. It is cloudy today. It is cloudy today. The sky is gray. The sky is gray. I think it will rain soon. I think it will rain soon. It is windy outside. It is windy outside. The wind is very strong. The wind is very strong. Great job! You're practicing useful weather sentences that people really use. Keep it up. Sentences 21 through 30. It is cold in the morning. It is cold in the morning. I wear a jacket in winter. I wear a jacket in winter. It is snowing today. It is snowing today. The ground is white with snow. The ground is white with snow. I make a snowman. I make a snowman. The weather is changing. The weather is changing. Sometimes it is hot. Sometimes it is hot. Sometimes it is cold. Sometimes it is cold. I check the weather forecast. I check the weather forecast. I say, "What's the weather like?" I say, "What's the weather like?" Brilliant! You've just practiced 30 simple sentences that will help you in daily conversations about the weather. Well done! You've completed day 13 of your 30-day English shadowing challenge. Now you can describe the weather, talk about sunny days, rainy days, and even snow. Try using these sentences in your daily life. For example, tomorrow morning, look outside and say in English, "It is sunny today." Or if it rains, say, "I need an umbrella." Small practice like this makes a big difference. And remember, if you missed any earlier lessons, the playlist link in the description is ready for you anytime. If you enjoyed today's practice, please like this video, comment with your favorite type of weather, and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson. Tomorrow, in day 14, we'll explore numbers, time, and dates, an important topic for daily conversations. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep shining bright like the sun. See you tomorrow.